Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadian balada penbam smai yaki prangut ki Myntri berthamai jong ke Sarkar Jila ke balalong hen ke Sngi Baar ke khanda dari nai luar Hajar Arpusan hayeng ulat ke Jila UCH Vijaya Shankar ke Cabinet Affairs Department ke lepelat ki kam ki babarok khat arngut ki Myntri ken shimti hakitanat bapher. U Myntri rangba ke Jila ukan rat sangma un shimti kum Myntri ke tanat Cabinet Affairs tanat platingka bat kinu ki kam bom shimla ai yaki we ki Myntri. U sembut Myntri rangba ubak Presiden Song kum Myntri ketanat Home Police, PWDR, PWDB, tenat District Council Affairs, bat tenat Parliamentary Affairs. U sembut Myntri rangba bat senyap halang dhar kum Myntri ketanat Penroisor, tenat Transport, Commerce and Industries, bat ketanat Prison and Correctional Service. U Marcus and Marak kum Myntri ke Public Health Engineering, Housing, Soil and Water Conservation Department. Ubak medbak lingdok kum Myntri ketanat Penmi Boarding, Power Department, Water Resources Department, Taxation Department bat Textile Department. U Timothy di Shira kum Myntri ketanat Tourism, tenat karep karyang bat Fisheries, u Branding Sangma kum Myntri ke Border Area Development Department, Excise Department bat Home Civil Defence and Home Guards Department. Ubak lakmen Rymbui kum Myntri ketanat Puliputhi, Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Information and Public Relation Department but ke Law Department. Uba Sanbor Shulai kum Myntri ketanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, tenat Arts and Culture, Printing and Stationery but Legal Meteorology Department. Uba Sos Thana Sotun kum Myntri ke Community and Rural Department, Secretariat Administration Department but General Administration Department. Uba Wailad Mikishila kum Myntri ke Health and Family Welfare Department, Sports and Youth Affairs Department but Home Passport Department. Ubak met hadias dekhar kum Myntri ke Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department, Labour, Employment and Skill Department, Registration and Stamps Department but Cooperation Department.